In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check stock levels in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right into it. When you first log into Odoo, you'll want to head over to the dashboard. This is your command center for managing various aspects of your business. Simply enter the URL for your Odoo instance in your browser and log in. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with a friendly interface. After you're on the dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the Inventory module. For this, look towards the top menu and find the Inventory option. Once there, hover over it until you see a submenu appear. From this menu, click on Reporting. When you do this, another set of options will display, and you need to select Stock. Now, what you'll see next is really important. You should be taken to a clear tabular list that presents all relevant stock information. Here, you will find details like the product name, the unit cost, the total valuation, and very importantly, both the on-hand quantity and any expected incoming or outgoing shipments. This overview is incredibly useful for managing your inventory effectively. If the data looks a little overwhelming or if you're searching for specific information, don't worry. Odoo has a great feature that allows you to use filters. Look for the search bar on the page. It's your best friend for narrowing down your results. Here, you can group or filter by different parameters. For instance, if you want to see how many socks you have in stock, just type socks into the search bar. You can also filter by product category, specific warehouses, or even specific product variants. This will help you focus on exactly what you need to know without sifting through unnecessary information. And that's pretty much it. You have now successfully checked your stock levels in Odoo. With this simple process, you can keep a close eye on your inventory, ensuring you always know what products are available and what needs reordering. Remember, maintaining accurate stock levels is crucial for running a smooth and efficient operation. The insights you gather by frequently checking your inventory can help avoid stockouts and overstocking, ultimately leading to better customer satisfaction and increased profitability. Thank you for joining me in this instructional video. I hope you found these steps useful for managing your stock levels in Odoo. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this one, please drop a comment below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and guidance on Odoo and other business tools. Happy stock checking!